Itadakimasu. Day to dawn! Hi guys, so we're currently at BGC, specifically sa Mitsukoshi Mall ulit. So, right now, kasi dapat agenda namin is maghanap ng machines. So, bala ko na rin kasing bumili ng sariling coffee machine for Shirley's. So, yun dapat agenda namin, but we'll do that after we eat. Actually, it's already 8 p.m. na. And ayun, so magdi-dinner muna kami bago kami mag-check ng stores. And I think hanggang 9 lang yung mga store. So, check na lang namin yung nearest sa Mitsukoshi, which is the MC Home Depot sa may Landers. Inside nung building na yun. So, doon na lang kami. Just ordered this curry rice with katsu from Coco Ichiban. Tapos, katsu din ba ito? Yung katsu din from Sabuten. Pepper katsu. Oh my God, my dogs. Tapos takoyaki. So, naalala namin to. Ito yung kinain namin sa Odaiba. Yes! And ginger ale daw. Old-fashioned siya. Kaya nakaganyan. Itadakimasu. Hatiin ko na to. First bite. May... Pepper. Spicy din to, no? Standard na. Oh, medyo may hint siya. Hi guys! So, it's currently 9:09 p.m. And naglalakad kami dito. On the way kami sa High Street kasi naghahanap kami ng coffee shop. Kasi hanggang 10 p.m. lang yung Key Coffee. And actually, we wanted to try that. Pero, aga nila magsara. So, hanap tayo ng mas late. And, 12 minutes walk pa siya, guys. Yung coffee shop na nakita namin. And sa High Street siya. I love a walkable city. Hi guys, so we're here now at Cafe Pocofino. And we decided to just get our coffee here. Kasi, I mean, like, may Harlan doon sa matabat na Uptown. Pero puno rin kasi. Tapos yung Key Coffee nga, maga magsasara, like 10 p.m. lang. This one is 24 out, 24/7. So, dito na lang kami. Actually, we tried this one before sa airport. So, I just got the iced Pocofino latte. And alam ko yung in-order ko before was their iced cinnamon latte. Wala silang branding ngayon, guys. Dati may yung baso nila, yung may print, kinamberlo. Very colorful. May plain white na lang siya. Hi guys, so mag-grocery muna kami today kasi we need food for the week. So, yeah, let's go. Ang ganito ba talaga nila? Try namin yung Meiji and I got it in strawberry. Na-curious ako. Matagal nang may Meiji dito. And na-try na namin yung Meiji milk. Tapos nagkaroon sila ng yogurt. So, tatry natin siya. Let's get some ulam. Mas madami. Magkano yun?
Wala, 4 pesos lang. Ito sa...
They already have sisig noodles. So, we just got sisig and chicken. Alam nyo ba guys, we have a favorite to buy here. Yung Minute Zero Plant-Based Crispy Bite. Kasi legit, hindi nyo malalasahan na it's a vegan. Vegan? Yeah. Lasa siyang like normal pork. Okay guys, so pipila na tayo. Kasi tapos na tayo mag-grocery. Let's go. Hi everyone! So, it's currently 3:41 p.m. And I'm actually just at home. Kasi next week then, I have an event for NULP. So, that's NU Las Piñas. And, ayun, so, nakuha tayong concessionaire for their Jumpstart event. So, ayun. So, I'm so excited for this event talaga kasi matagal ko na rin talaga tina-target na mag-sell sa schools. So, buksan na natin sila ngayon. Kasi medyo madami ang aking in-order. It's so big pala. Akala ko small. Pumapasok yung aso ko, guys. Pinubuksan niya yung screen. So, eto na siya. Ang laki pala. Super laki. Pero this is the small version lang ng ice bucket. And I'm surprised it's big. Next. I don't know what's this. Oh, this is my, for the sea salt. Yeah, bumili na ako guys ng lalagyan ng sea salt. Because this time, I'm gonna offer sea salt na. Ano ko pinagbibili? Oh, this one is the one I'm excited about. It's the rubber mat. Malaki na to guys. Kasi I have a rubber mat, pero like yung, lang siya, rectangle lang. So like, maliit lang talaga siya. And now, I bought the biggest one. Just this. Para mas madaling gumawa and less messy. Less yung kalat. Ganun. So, I bought one. The big version. Yung ganito po. Pero papabawasan ko po yung buhok ko na... Yung mga ganito. Ganito po.
Tapos ganyan.
Opo.
Tapos papabangs ka din.
Opo. Tapos, hindi naman po like full bangs. Yung
14.
Opo. Yung, basta po yung parang nagaganto po.
Meron konti.
Opo. Like, manipis lang po na.
Kinain na lang ay. Diba?
Opo. Thank you po.
Yung bangs mo.
Ang ganda. So, this is my haircut, guys. So, I just trim my hair. Medyo mahaba na rin talaga siya, but yeah, layered pa rin. But I added some curtain bangs and cute bangs. So, di ba kung Korean ba to or Japanese? Parang nagmukha akong Japanese for some reason. Arigato gozaimasu. Charot. Pero ayun, hopefully guys, ma-maintain ko to kasi hindi ko alam. Hindi ako masipag mag-maintain ng buhok, pero ang tapang ko para magpagupit ng ganito, di ba? Hi guys! Hi! I'm with... Okay guys, so nandito na kami sa NULP. Hindi na ako nakapag-film kanina habang nagsiset up. And nung pagdating namin, kasi guys, sobrang, ewan ko, ang dami naming bit-bit. Tapos nagkaroon pa ng problem sa power outlet. So, ayun. Hi guys! So, inantay ko na lang yung ride ko. Kasi, nag-book lang din ako para makauwi. And malapit lang naman sa bahay namin. So, day 1 done here sa NU Las Piñas. Honestly, first time ko talaga mag-boots sa school. Like, yung business ko talaga. Kasi before naman, nagkaroon kami ng entrep. And nakatry naman ako mag-sell. It's actually good naman. Yeah. So guys, naulan ngayon. So, buti na lang malamig. And hindi mainit. So, ang dami kong bit-bit guys. Dalawang eco bag. Ang bigat pa nung isa. Kasi ang dami kong dala. So, ayun. And it's also 4:21 p.m. na. And, ayun. So, actually kasi, kanina pa ako nandito. I think around 7:30 a.m. Hi guys. So, it's currently 3:45 p.m. And mas maaga kami nag-close today kasi walang masyadong tao ngayon. And we're officially done with day 2. Finally, sorry. Ang gulo pa ng buhok ko. And gumawa lang ako ng matcha before ako mag-close today. And actually, punta kami ngayon sa mall. Kasi baka magpa-nails kami. Thank you po. So, we're outside na. Yeah, day 2 done. So, last 2 days of the event. And, yeah. Let's see. And hopefully, this is really a success. So, let's go. Hi guys. So, I just got my nails done. So, very neutral lang yung kinuha ko. Hi guys. It's our day 3. Hi again, Nisha.
Hi!
So, it's 2:25. And, medyo madami na rin naman bumili kanina. And, yun. Konti na lang din yung cookies. And, kasi nung the past days, parang di siya gumagalaw. But, gumalaw na siya. Para kaming naka-social distancing ni Nisha ngayon. May cooler kasi sa gitna. Pero kasi kailangan namin dito yan.
Ako yung size na yun.
16 ounce po.
Hello po! Hi!
One size lang naman po.
Okay, sorry.
Ano po sa inyo? Ano po? Sige lang.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Yes po. Thank you po. Hi guys, so day 3 done. And ayun guys, so I'm also waiting for my ride. Actually, nagbubook ako right now. Oh, andito na siya. I mean, malapit na siya. Yes. Print na ba? Yay! Nakapag-photobooth na kami, guys. Let's try pa. Thank you po.
Appreciate naman
Hi guys, we got our photo booth. They gave it to us for free. Thank you so much. Yes. Lagay ko na lang yung ano nila, ay socials. Thank you po. Hi guys. So, dito lang ako sa mall. Kasi actually in-order ko rin yung food na for sponsorship, which is yan yung ano ko for the 1 week event that we had. So, kaya na-order ko na yung food. And, nag-run lang ako ng onting errands kasi may inutos yung kapatid ko. So, right now, balik kami sa campus to get my things. So, nandun pa kasi yung coffee machine, may cooler, and some stuff. So, kailangan ko siya balikan. Let's go. Okay, it's done. So, and let's mix this. And let's pair it with SD treats. I love this cookie. Yes, naman. Let's take a